You supposed to know now. Correct. You know my choice. This one don't mean okay, Sha. You know I'm Christian.
Go now, you sure you understand? Fine girl.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Boy, Coke sweet die. Now my first drink with this.
Brother, jadi.
But anyways, let's man go do now. The Baba, I don't remember something. I get this for you. Yes,
what's happening?
You see that your babe?
Which one be that one?
I talk and you two they get them. See, you are a young man, no go kill yourself. That your babe, Juliet.
Okay, yes. What's happening?
She don't marry now. Finally married last week. She don't enter family way.
Brother, that one now old news now.
True? Old news?
Old news now. That girl is 25 decade years.
This guy they talk. You know what they talk so? Now 250 years be that too.
No, waiting my lecturer tell me where this primary school now they tell you so now.
This guy. You are your lecturer now, Mumu na be. Which can't talk with that one?
Now you are your lecturer be Mumu.
Oh boy, no insult me because you buy me go. Wait till they worry you.
Who carry my bread for you?
We fuck up with it. I just leave you based on say on a very good day.
Abeg, bros, abeg. Who carry my bread for you?
Madam, wait till happen now. Find your bread now. Why you bother me? Where you keep your bread? Go find them now.
Which kind of question be that one? Nothing I'll take it. Half gold. Which kind of thing this one?
Find your bread now.
Chai, here is God.
I no go sleep this night because of rat.
Which of you whether you no sleep this night because of rat? Wetin concern rat and bread? Where you dey find?
You know how much I just buy that bread? I pour tapia. That's poison.
Madam, that way you just talk. Just shift. Nobody dey drink and tapia for you. You hear me?
Shey they talk on that thing.
Madam, find your bread now.
Wetin happen now? Madam, I hear so much just dey shout dey talk. Wetin happen?
Man no go shout. You pray make I keep for you. I no see am again. Na car I just go make o. I no see am again. Na pour tapia. Which kind thing be that one?
How person go just sit down just dey collect person bread for this kind of thing? But I say no dey kill person o.
You dey kill o. Na be the best of tapia for this one Nigeria. You know Mrs. Sukosi? That's the first daughter. Next killer last year, the girl mistakenly take I try something.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I don't know say you dey kill.
Bros, wait now.
No, I dey quick for am o. How person quick go just die like that?
But wait bros, why your eye dey red now?
My eyes dey right.
You know where?
I fit talk am.
Wetin you fit talk?
I fit talk am. But doctor tell me say I get diabetes, say I no go too live long.
Hey.
I no say na so e go be o.
But that disease bad o.
Very dangerous o.
Very. Why
Madam,
your body come dey dry? No.
I'm a mother abeg. I just dey sorry for all this for the
Just
things.
rush go hospital make dem. No.
Sorry.
Sorry. When you dey talk.